This is our 45th anniversary, and we have issued over $27 billion in bonds since our inception in 1974. And we are very excited to have been able to finance these facilities in Louisiana and provide education and healthcare improvements to the state. We have been able to provide financing for the state when the state didn't have the money to pay the unemployment compensation fund. We came in and helped bail out the state from that. We helped provide financings for all of the school boards when the state couldn't provide the MFP money in the late 80s, and the LPFA was able to come in and use some of our own money and do a bond issue for them. When the LIGA did not have enough money to pay claims on automobile claims on a timely basis, we issued bonds on their behalf so that they can continue to make claim payments to the individuals in the state so that the people in the state did not have to suffer because of the automobile insurers. We have done financings for every nonprofit hospital and hospital group throughout the state. Hospitals have been our largest issuance of bonds. Plus, we've also been able to finance all of the nonprofit colleges and universities throughout the state. Centenary, Loyola, Tulane, Dillard, Xavier. We have done financings for all of them, Louisiana College, and so we are very committed to education, and not only at the college level, but we have also provided financings for elementary schools, high schools as well, that we financed a number of them across the state. We've been able to finance a number of facilities in the rural part of the state on the rural hospitals that we try and target. We also work with the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation to get rural health care in the state and provide a revolving loan fund to help doctors and healthcare professionals move into the rural areas in the state. And most recently, we were able to finance the new VCOM medical school at the University of Louisiana Monroe that will hopefully produce a number of doctors for the rural areas throughout the state.
The Economic Development Division of LPFA works with clients throughout the state, customers, on putting together bond packages, see if they qualify for federal tax-exempt bond financing. And we also manage a number of revolving loan programs and work with political subdivisions, small communities throughout the state, and giving low-interest loans to help out those taxpayers as well. The job creation comes from the projects that we finance. It comes from construction projects during the construction phase, obviously, and then the permanent jobs created once the projects come online. But it's very exciting, and the LPFA footprint is throughout the state of Louisiana on these economic development projects. The new Children's Hospital in Our Lady of the Lake in Baton Rouge. Children's Hospital in New Orleans as well are two great clients of ours that obviously helping health care for children is something that tugs at the heartstrings of all Louisianians. The new Our Lady of the Lake Children's Hospital in Baton Rouge is from the ground up, so it is a brand new facility that will open in the fall of 2019. Children's Hospital of Louisiana, which is located in New Orleans, is a long-standing hospital, and they've recently done some large capital improvements there that we help finance their facilities as well. Throughout our history of the 45 years of the LPFA, we've done over $27.1 billion in economic development and projects in Louisiana, which is translated into over 320,000 jobs directly attributable to those projects.
How can people get more information?
They can contact the LPFA through our website. LPFA.com is the easiest way, and they can find my link, Martin Walk, through that website as well.
I really enjoy our student loan program. At one point in time, we were the second largest provider of student loans in the state before the federal government took over the program. And during the 15-year period that we were providing student loans, we were the second entity in the country to start offering discounts on the loans. We have guaranteed savings to student and parent borrowers in the state of $34 million. $23 million of that is cash upfront in hand that the student or parent received that otherwise would have gone to pay fees that LPFA paid on their behalf. And if everyone paid on time, which unfortunately they don't, but if everyone paid on time, they could have saved a total of $156 million on those loans that we had made during that 15-year period. But also because we started paying those upfront fees on behalf of the borrowers, other entities had to start doing that. And I conservatively estimate that we saved student and parent borrowers in the state an additional $125 million over the $23 million that we paid that they actually got in their checks. So that's over $140 million that people actually had to spend on their education in Louisiana that they would not have had if we were not around and not offering our discounts.
LELA is LPFA's education division. We are Louisiana's nonprofit FAFSA completion resource and college access. We offer free services to our families throughout Louisiana to help them attain financing to help pay for college. Currently, we offer a refinancing program, LELA Refi Help, where we help families restructure their debt in order to help them save money or to lower their monthly payments. Over the years, we have operated in the forefront where we originated loans at lower costs, for help teachers at zero interest rates, help nurses if they stayed in Louisiana to work. We also waived the interest for them. Unfortunately, the federal government took over the programs in 2010, so currently we still operate those discounts, but we've moved more into the outreach services since 2010. We hopefully are helping families learn about their options on what's available for college and help them transition and find out that college is affordable. And the main factor and focus we do is help them complete the federal application. Sometimes they're burdensome and onerous, so we come in and try to sit down with them one-on-one. And we have a great FAFSA completion team, Joni Leggio and Ann Carmichael, and they do a fantastic job on helping our families complete these complex forms and help them access dollars for college. Our goal at LPFA is to help students attain a college degree, and through LELA, the way we accomplish that is to help them accomplish the first step by completing the free application for federal student aid, which is the FAFSA form, and help them access dollars to help pay for college, because college is getting more and more expensive, and we want to help students learn about what options are available for them, whether it's grants, scholarships, which are free monies, or student loans if they still need dollars to pay for college. Student loan debt is a crisis, as you know, in the United States, and LPFA is trying to do our part to help lower the cost of education by offering low-cost student loan programs and helping students access free types of dollars to help pay for college. And if students have to borrow, that's the last resort. An overwhelming positive response because students and families really don't know the next step, and we're here to hold their hand and help them through the process. And very well received. We have an online call-in number. We have a college planning center that's free to our families that we offer. So anyone interested who needs help that doesn't understand the process, we have them contact our office. On this, our 45th anniversary, LELA has been operating in the education division since 1984, and we've assisted over 400,000 families access dollars to help pay for college through student loans. We've issued over $2.4 billion in bonds to fund low-cost loans for these families. We take special pride every time there's a college graduation in Louisiana in knowing that we played some small part in their success, and they're contributing to society and fulfilling their dream.
How can people get more information?
They can reach us on our website, lela.org, or they can contact us directly through our toll-free line at 800-228-4755.
I would like them to remember that we are here kind of in the background and have been helping organize and provide the financing for the infrastructure that helps them with their health care, with their education, with bringing jobs to Louisiana so that they have an opportunity to work here. And our goal is to make Louisiana the best place that we can for our families to work, live, and enjoy life.
How can people get more information?
They can go to our websites. The LPFA has a website, lpfa.com, and also we still provide counseling and FAFSA completion assistance on the student loan side and college education side, and that is asklela.org.